or ever. Waking up at sundown, they're late to every party. Nobody's ever sorry. Too inebriated now to dance. Morning as they calm down, their pretty heads are hurting. They're awfully bad at learning. Make the same mistakes, blame circumstance. I'm the second-hand smoke, still just drinking canned Coke. I don't need a Xanny to feel better. On the second night at Jackson, I'm the one who's not stoned. Don't give me a Xanny now or ever. Please don't try to kiss me on the sidewalk on your cigarette break. I can't afford to love someone who isn't dying by mistake in Silver Lake. What is it about them? I must be missing.